Coming up, we're going to take a look at a sleep sounds app that is making over $800,000. Yes, that is close to $1 million a month. Stay tuned. What is up, App Nation? It is Steve P. Young, founder of appmasters.com, the place you go when you want action-packed content related to helping grow your app downloads, and more importantly, those revenues. And today I want to break down an app that you guys probably have already heard of. It is called BetterSleep. I've been tracking this app for years now because I just love the UI UX of the app. It's a really well done app. And I want to show you a couple of interesting things that they're doing that I think will help grow your conversions. All right, let's get to it. Here is the app, BetterSleep. This is according to Sensor Tower. Now, I like having multiple sources for revenues and downloads so that you can start to compare. You know what? I like 3. That way there's a tiebreaker. All right. So here's what Sensor Tower says. The app is making $600,000 a month with 200,000 downloads. So really great stuff here from App Magic. Their App Magic is saying 800,000 with 600,000 downloads. So that's almost, twice as much in terms of downloads. And then same with App Figures. So App Figures and App Magic both have a higher revenue number than Sensor Tower. So I'm going to go with the 800,000 tiebreaker, right? So here's the App Store presence, and I want to kind of break down their screenshots here. Really cool binaural beats, green noise, all that stuff that's in there. All right, let's go through the app flow. So I'm doing it injustice, by the way, because I took screenshots. There's a lot of great animation within the app. So right off the jump, they're asking you for push notifications and ATT prompt, okay? One of the best practices there, especially if you're using paid social media to drive downloads. Now, this welcome screen, you can't hear it, obviously, but there's a lot of animations and there's sound playing. There's a sleep sounds playing the entire time during this onboarding process. Now, if you got a similar app that's going to require a little bit more sound, what we've seen from our data is having the sound on actually does increase conversions because you're giving users already a taste of what's going on. It would be interesting to see if it would work for non-sleep sounds or music sound related apps. It'd be interesting to test that. So if you guys do test that, please reach out to me. But there is music playing in the background, a sleep sounds music. It's a great melody, by the way. Love this. Social proof up top. Unlock the power of a sleep routine. You today, you in a week, get them to a goal that you're going to help them achieve. How satisfied are you with your sleep? Don't worry, we're here to help. Now, no matter what you put here, doesn't matter, we're here to help is the thing. What can we help you with? So this is I love this type of screen because it kind of tells you hey, we do all of this, so which one do you want? How many hours of sleep are you getting? So this is just to get info from your users, and then you can leverage this for your marketing. So if you find that people who are sleeping, let's say 5 to 6 hours, those are the ones that are going to convert the most. Well, you can use that in your ad creatives. Hey, only getting 5 to 6 hours of sleep and feeling groggy. Well, BetterSleep helps you do just that. So I love these type of questions during the onboarding because I can always leverage this data to figure out what kind of marketing I should be doing on ASA, screenshots, or even meta ads. All right. Hormones, age. How did you hear about us? I love this screen. And just as a reminder for those, this is good for attribution as well. From what I've heard from other founders, this is just as good. Also, this isn't static. It always mixes up. So it's always good to have right here. Set the amount of hours you want to sleep. Apple Watch, that's the thing you can do. What we found is actually asking for users to connect to health leads. This screen alone decreases conversion. So we actually found this screen where you try to connect users to their health doesn't actually work well. So, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe things have changed because BetterSleep is doing it. But from our experiments that we've run, asking for health integration before the paywall actually hurts conversions. Okay. BetterSleep, if you didn't test that, there you go. You're welcome. All right. Did you know? So I love this social proof again. Social proof, drift off with your favorite sounds and fall asleep faster. Again, the sound is playing in the background. find out what you did in your sleep. So this is showing you that, hey, you know, we're tracking your sleep. And there, again, this is animation, right? I love this screen, okay? I really do. So I think this screen before a paywall will actually help increase conversions. I haven't tested this yet personally, but I do want to test this. So obviously trusted by over 65 million people. Woo! 91% of our listeners sleep better. 4.8 stars, 65 times featured in the App Store, 2 billion relaxation sessions preparing your sleep. So what we found is having a little bit of animation before the paywall increased conversions by 10%. Another founder just told me that. But I think having social proof while you're preparing the plan would actually do even better. And then here's the paywall. Now, here's what I want to highlight here. They're giving you a month free of BetterHelp. It's the same company, so they're cross-promoting. And I love that. Like, why not do that? Businesses do that all the time. I have an iPhone, I have an iMac, I have a MacBook Pro, like I have an iPad, like cross-promote. And so I love this idea and I love this strategy here. And I think what developers can start doing is start saying, hey, you know, let's work together. Maybe I can give you, all your users, a month free of my app, right? You can start to see the synergies between two different apps because UA costs are getting so expensive. Like, it's a win-win for both parties. So I love this. This is what I want to highlight. I don't know how I was able to bypass the paywall, but I was able to bypass the paywall. So I'll show you what happens after this paywall. So they hit me with this discount right here, right? And then I was able to bypass it. I can't remember why. But then they give me a 7-day trial with the same discount. Pretty interesting. I like it. I like it. Hey, I dig anybody trying to just make money because you look, they put together a great app. They should try to make money off of this. Here's what I also like. After you said no to all their paywalls, it's like, hey, you know, give me your email address. I want something from you, right? If you're not going to pay me, I want something from you, and I can't exit out of this. So I love that. Like, I think everybody should do that. And then lastly, I gave them my email address, and they had me take this stress quiz. I did do that. And then they allowed me to get, again, that free month of therapy. So from BetterHelp, your sleep can improve. Get the support you need today. So this is trying to promote BetterHelp right here. And then when I click that, they take me to their website. All right, I exit out of this. I'm back in the app. I tap, we have a gift for you. I see this right here. Again, it's both. I say, nah. And then, oh, actually, I say, okay, I want to see where your claim your free therapy takes you. So it takes me to BetterHelp again. I hit exit out of this. I'm just now showing you the tabs. So this is the sounds tab. We were in the home previously. This is the sound. When I tap on sleep, I'm brought here. So this is unlock with premium. I hit continue or unlock. I just want to see if the paywall would change. I hit unlock and then I get the paywall again. I hit X. It's the same paywall. The price has now come down a bit with the 7-day trial. Same paywall. I hit X out of that, showing you insights, and then I'm showing you my library where you can save certain things. And I've used this app before, so I have a few mixes here too. All right, that's it. BetterSleep, really well done. Again, my main takeaways were social proof right before the paywall, the cross promotion between BetterSleep and BetterHelp, and asking for an email, forcing, okay, not even asking, forcing an email after users have said no to your initial paywalls. Paywall, discount with trial, and then email, forcing. Love all of them, okay? All right, let me know what you thought about this video. If you liked it, and if you like any of our videos, make sure you actually hit that like button. And you're like, this is great video, Steve. Don't just leave, hit that like button. And then if you're not subscribed, well, do so as well, because we share all the latest and greatest when it comes to app growth in terms of downloads, and like I always say, more importantly, those revenues. All right, until next time, I'll see you on the next video. What do you think about these glasses? Keep them on for the future videos or leave them off? Let me know in the comments. All right, see you guys.